really quick, I wanted to show you some of my favorites that I got in this month's packages with adoreme. I wanted to try out their corset style bras, so I got 2 of those, and they always come with matching sets, or you can buy 5 pieces of underwear, or 7 I believe, for a discounted price. They always do everything like in bundles. It's more affordable than buying just separate pieces. And then I wanted to try another piece of their activewear, so I got this set from Earth Republic, and it's a nice windbreaker, and it also comes with a pair of matching pants. Then I got this super cozy robe that will be perfect for the winter, lounging around in my house with. I also have a silk one that I got sometime last year by adoreme, so I will add this one to my collection. I'm not gonna do a try on haul, but I just wanted to give you guys a brief look at what adoreme provides. You heard it here first. Adoreme is where to shop. Back to the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini vlog. Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday. I am just getting ready for the day. It's about 9:30. I'm not sure what the weather is looking like because it keeps raining, storming on and off here in Atlanta. If you guys haven't watched my last video, go check it out. It was a London travel with me type of vlog. I didn't really record everything while I was there like at all, but if you follow me on Instagram, you would see pretty much like a recap of my trip. Follow me on Instagram if you're not. Today's pretty chill. I have an 11:30 call. I am going to just stay in the area, make sure I'm close to home. Let me know, when you guys have calls, do you tend to not care if you're out in public, like just on the call or what? I just try to have a quiet environment if I can. I don't know, but I'm gonna grab something and either work within like the coffee shop or go to like this office workspace thing that's nearby. So yeah, I want to show you guys my outfit when I'm done getting dressed because it's really chill. I've been breaking out since I've been back from London, so I really don't feel like doing a full face of makeup at all. I just got done with my hair. I ended up going with this blowout look and just putting it up, you know, like this. I think that this look is kind of versatile for when I do my call later on. For today, I won't have to like rearrange the way I'm looking really. I didn't put on any type of makeup. Waxing gel for your brows, L'Oreal Paris Skin Paradise, a water infused tinted moisturizer. They sent me a ton of these and I literally got rid of like a few of them and only kept this one. This is like really good for like when you're on tropical stays and you know you don't want to put on too much makeup, but it has SPF, which is really important because whether I'm wearing makeup or not, SPF is important. So the fact that it has both is great. I like blush. This is also just some rose oil. It's actually this. No, actually it's not because I ran out when I was like in London. One last thing, we cannot forget about the lip products. I love my lips. We're gonna do this lip plump and a little scrub. I want to put on my YSL perfume. This is kind of a night scent, but you know, since you know we're not really doing too much today for the look, so you know we're not really doing too much today for the look. So this is actually the final look. The glasses that I wanted to wear actually broke, but yeah, we're gonna go. I'm gonna get coffee first and then I'm going to get some breakfast from Chick-fil-A. Thank you guys for watching. Please let me know if you guys like more integrated videos of me showcasing little things here and there. I will be sure to just try and show you guys more of adoreme stuff, and yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys again. I will see you in the next video. Peace.